20. Best please visit in San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. Intro. San Miguel de Allende, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a magical colonial gem nestled in the heart of Mexico. Known for its cobblestone streets, vibrant culture, and breathtaking architecture, this enchanting city is a dream destination for travelers seeking beauty, history, and inspiration. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an art lover, or simply someone looking to soak in the charm of a picturesque town, San Miguel de Allende has something for everyone. In this guide, we'll take you through the 20 best places to visit in San Miguel de Allende, packed with SEO-friendly keywords and emotional storytelling to help you rank high in your niche and connect with your audience. Let's dive into the soul of this magical city. Please write a comment and advice for us because you are our valuable visitor. 1. Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel. The iconic Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel is the crown jewel of San Miguel de Allende. This stunning neo-Gothic church, with its pink sandstone facade and towering spires, is a must-visit for anyone exploring the city. Located in the heart of the historic centre, the Parroquia is a symbol of San Miguel's rich history and architectural beauty. Step inside to admire its intricate altars and stained glass windows, or simply sit in the Jardín Allende across the street and soak in the view. Whether you're capturing its beauty for your travel vlog or seeking a moment of peace, the Parroquia is a place that will leave you in awe. Keywords: San Miguel de Allende Church, Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel, Historic Centre, Neo-Gothic Architecture, Travel Vlog Inspiration. 2. El Jardín Allende. El Jardín Allende, the main square of San Miguel de Allende, is the vibrant heart of the city. Surrounded by lush trees, colourful buildings and lively cafes, this central plaza is the perfect spot to relax and people watch. From mariachi bands to local artisans, the Jardín is always buzzing with activity. It's also the best place to start your exploration of the city, with the Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel and other landmarks just steps away. Whether you're filming a travel video or simply enjoying the atmosphere, El Jardín Allende is a must-visit. Keywords: San Miguel de Allende Main Square, El Jardín Allende, Travel Vlog, Colonial Architecture, Vibrant Culture. 3. Fábrica La Aurora. Art lovers, rejoice! Fábrica La Aurora is a former textile factory turned art and design centre, showcasing the work of local and international artists. Wander through its galleries, studios and shops to discover everything from contemporary paintings to handmade jewellery. The industrial chic vibe of the space adds to its charm, making it a favourite among creatives and travellers alike. Don't forget to stop by the on-site cafe for a coffee break. Keywords: Fábrica La Aurora, San Miguel de Allende art, local artists, travel inspiration, cultural hotspot. 4. Mercado de Artesanías. For a taste of local culture, head to the Mercado de Artesanías. This bustling market is a treasure trove of handmade crafts, textiles and souvenirs. From colourful pottery to intricate embroidery, you'll find unique gifts and keepsakes to take home. The market is also a great place to interact with local artisans and learn about their craft. Keywords: San Miguel de Allende Market, Mercado de Artesanías, handmade crafts, local culture, travel shopping. 5. Mirador de San Miguel de Allende. For the best views of the city, make your way to the Mirador de San Miguel de Allende. This lookout point offers panoramic vistas of the city's rooftops, churches, and surrounding mountains. It's the perfect spot to capture stunning footage for your travel vlog, or simply enjoy a quiet moment. Visit at sunset for an unforgettable experience. Keywords: Mirador de San Miguel de Allende, best views, travel vlog, sunset spot, panoramic views. 6. Casa del Mayorazgo de la Canal. Step back in time at Casa del Mayorazgo de la Canal, a historic mansion that now serves as a cultural centre. This 18th century building is a masterpiece of colonial architecture with its grand facade and ornate interiors. Explore its exhibitions, which often feature local art and history, or simply admire the building's beauty. Keywords: Casa del Mayorazgo de la Canal, colonial architecture, San Miguel de Allende history, cultural centre, travel inspiration. 7. El Charco del Ingenio. Nature lovers will adore El Charco del Ingenio, a botanical garden and nature reserve just outside the city. This serene oasis is home to a diverse array of plants, cacti and wildlife. Walk along its trails, visit the canyon, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. It's a great escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Keywords: El Charco del Ingenio, botanical garden, nature reserve, San Miguel de Allende Nature, travel vlog. 8. Museo Histórico de San Miguel de Allende. Dive into the city's rich history at the Museo Histórico de San Miguel de Allende. Housed in a former convent, this museum offers fascinating exhibits on the city's role in Mexico's fight for independence. The building itself is a work of art, with its colonial architecture and beautiful courtyards. Keywords: Museo Histórico de San Miguel de Allende, History Museum, Colonial Architecture, Travel Inspiration. 9. Callejón del Chorro. One of the most picturesque spots in San Miguel de Allende, Callejón del Chorro is a narrow alleyway that leads to a charming public washing area. The cobblestone path, colourful walls, and lush greenery make it a favourite among photographers and travellers. Keywords: Callejón del Chorro, picturesque alleyway, San Miguel de Allende photography, travel vlog. 10. Templo de San Francisco. Another architectural gem, the Templo de San Francisco is a beautiful church located near the Jardín Allende. Its baroque facade and intricate details make it a must-see for history and architecture enthusiasts. Keywords: Templo de San Francisco, baroque architecture, San Miguel de Allende churches, travel inspiration. 11. La Esquina Toy Museum. For a unique experience, visit La Esquina Toy Museum, which showcases a collection of traditional Mexican toys. This charming museum is a great place to learn about Mexican culture and traditions. Keywords: La Esquina Toy Museum, Mexican toys, cultural experience, San Miguel de Allende museums. 12. Casa de Ignacio Allende. Explore the former home of Ignacio Allende, a hero of Mexico's independence movement. This historic house is now a museum, offering a glimpse into the life of this important figure. Keywords: Casa de Ignacio Allende, History Museum, San Miguel de Allende, History Travel Vlog. 13. Biblioteca Pública. The Biblioteca Pública is more than just a library, it's a cultural hub. With its extensive collection of books, art exhibitions, and community events, it's a must-visit for anyone interested in learning more about the city. Keywords: Biblioteca Pública, San Miguel de Allende Library, Cultural Hub, Travel Inspiration. 14. Tequila Tasting Tours. No trip to Mexico is complete without tequila. Join a tequila tasting tour to sample some of the best spirits in the region and learn about the production process. Keywords: Tequila Tasting Tours, San Miguel de Allende, Mexican Spirits, Travel Vlog. 15. Calle Hernández Macias. Stroll down Calle Hernández Macias, one of the most charming streets in San Miguel de Allende. Lined with colourful buildings, boutique shops and cafes, it's the perfect place to explore on foot. Keywords: Calle Hernández Macias, charming streets, San Miguel de Allende, travel inspiration. 16. Templo de la Concepción, Las Monjas. This stunning church, known as Las Monjas, is a masterpiece of colonial architecture. Its unique dome and intricate details make it a must-see. Keywords: Templo de la Concepción, Las Monjas, colonial architecture, San Miguel de Allende churches. 17. Hot springs. Relax and rejuvenate at one of the nearby hot springs, such as La Gruta or Escondido Place. These natural thermal baths are the perfect way to unwind after a day of exploring. Keywords: San Miguel de Allende Hot Springs, La Gruta, Escondido Place, travel vlog. 18. Calejoneadas, nighttime serenades. Experience the magic of San Miguel de Allende at night with a calejoneada. These traditional nighttime serenades, led by musicians in colonial attire, are a unique and unforgettable experience. Keywords: Calejoneadas, nighttime serenades, San Miguel de Allende nightlife, travel inspiration. 19. Mercado Ignacio Ramirez. For a taste of local life, visit Mercado Ignacio Ramirez. This bustling market offers everything from fresh produce to traditional Mexican dishes. It's a great place to immerse yourself in the local culture. Keywords: Mercado Ignacio Ramirez, local market, San Miguel de Allende, travel vlog. 20. Casa Dragones Tasting Room. End your trip on a high note with a visit to the Casa Dragones Tasting Room. This luxury tequila brand offers tastings and tours, providing a sophisticated experience for spirits enthusiasts. Keywords: Casa Dragones Tasting Room, luxury tequila, San Miguel de Allende, travel inspiration. Outro. San Miguel de Allende is a city that captures the heart and soul of everyone who visits. From its stunning architecture and rich history to its vibrant culture and natural beauty, this magical destination offers endless opportunities for exploration and inspiration. Whether you're creating travel videos, seeking new adventures, or simply looking to connect with the essence of Mexico, San Miguel de Allende is a place that will stay with you forever. Let its charm ignite your passion for travel and storytelling. Until next time, keep exploring and sharing the beauty of the world. Keywords: San Miguel de Allende travel, emotional storytelling, travel vlog, magical destination, Mexico inspiration. Please write a comment and advice for us because you are our valuable visitor. When you subscribe, you're not just clicking a button. You're joining a global family of explorers, dreamers, and adventurers. Together we share stories, inspire journeys, and uncover the magic that this world holds. Every destination is a new chapter, and every subscriber adds a new voice to our community. Let's walk this path hand in hand, turning dreams into plans and strangers into friends. So take that leap, hit subscribe, and let's create unforgettable memories, one adventure at a time.